Is your crypto sitting in the right place? Are you getting the most out of your digital assets? Or are you, like many, feeling a little overwhelmed by the sheer number of crypto exchanges out there, wondering which one is actually the best? Specifically, is Gemini the best? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and we're all about making the crypto world a little less confusing. And if you're a regular, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a big question: is Gemini the best crypto exchange for you? Before we jump in, let's be clear, there's no single best crypto exchange for everyone. It really depends on your individual needs and priorities. What's perfect for a seasoned trader might be completely unsuitable for someone just starting out. So, we're going to break down Gemini, its strengths, its weaknesses, and ultimately, help you decide if it's the right fit for you. First, a little background on Gemini. It was founded by the Winklevoss twins, the guys who rode against Mark Zuckerberg in the Henley Royal Regatta and later sued Facebook. They're serious players in the crypto space, and they've built Gemini with a focus on security and regulatory compliance. This is a big deal, especially in a relatively unregulated industry. Gemini is known for being one of the more regulated exchanges, which can be a huge plus for those concerned about security and the long-term stability of their investments. Now, let's talk about security. This is arguably Gemini's biggest selling point. They've built their platform with a security-first mentality. They use multi-factor authentication, cold storage for the majority of their assets, and they're SOC 2 Type 2 compliant, which is a high standard for security auditing. In plain terms, they take security very seriously. This is incredibly important, especially with the increasing number of hacks and scams in the crypto world. Knowing your funds are secure is paramount, and Gemini excels in this area. But security isn't everything, right? What about the trading experience? Gemini offers a clean and intuitive interface, both on their website and their mobile app. It's relatively easy to navigate, even for beginners. They offer a variety of order types, including market orders, limit orders, and stop limit orders, which gives you some flexibility in how you trade. They also have an active trader platform for more advanced traders, which offers more charting tools and order options. However, the trading experience isn't without its drawbacks. Gemini's trading fees can be a bit higher than some other exchanges, especially for smaller trades. They use a maker-taker fee schedule, which means the fees vary depending on whether you're making or taking liquidity. This can be a little confusing for beginners. While they do offer lower fees for high-volume traders, it's something to keep in mind if you're just starting out or trading smaller amounts. Another important factor to consider is the number of cryptocurrencies available. While Gemini supports a decent selection of popular cryptocurrencies, it's not as extensive as some other exchanges. If you're looking to trade a wide variety of altcoins, Gemini might not be the best choice. They tend to focus on the more established cryptocurrencies, which, again, ties into their focus on security and regulatory compliance. So, let's recap the pros and cons so far. On the pro side, Gemini offers top-notch security, a user-friendly interface, and a strong reputation. They're also heavily regulated, which provides an added layer of trust. On the con side, their fees can be a bit higher than some competitors, and their selection of cryptocurrencies is somewhat limited. Now, let's talk about who Gemini is really good for. In my opinion, Gemini is a great option for beginners who are prioritizing security and ease of use. If you're new to crypto and you're looking for a platform you can trust, Gemini is a solid choice. Their clean interface makes it easy to buy and sell crypto, and their focus on security gives you peace of mind. It's also a good option for investors who are primarily interested in the major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, if you're a more active trader looking for the lowest possible fees, or if you're interested in trading a wide variety of altcoins, you might want to consider other options. There are other exchanges out there that offer lower fees and a wider selection of cryptocurrencies, but they might not have the same level of security and regulatory compliance as Gemini. Ultimately, the best crypto exchange for you depends on your individual needs and priorities. Think about what's most important to you: security, fees, the number of cryptocurrencies available, the trading interface, etc. Do your research and compare different exchanges before making a decision. One thing I would recommend is to never put all your eggs in one basket. Consider diversifying your holdings across multiple exchanges. This can help mitigate the risk of losing all your funds if one exchange experiences a security breach or goes down. So, is Gemini the best crypto account? The answer, as always, is, it depends. It's a great option for some, but not for everyone. If you prioritize security and ease of use, and you're primarily interested in the major cryptocurrencies, Gemini is definitely worth considering. But if you're a more active trader or you're looking for a wider selection of altcoins, you might want to explore other options. Remember to always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market is volatile, and there are always risks involved. Be informed, be responsible, and be patient. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.